What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to make a quick video and show you how to download and install Google Chrome and also make it your default browser. So I just built a new PC. I need to get Chrome on it. So why not make a video, right? Let's walk through it. So if you don't have any web browser on your computer yet, you will have Microsoft Edge if it is a Windows 10 or 11 machine. If it's Apple, you'll have Safari. So you get a default browser with every single operating system pretty much. So at the bare minimum, you'll have Edge. So go into the start menu on the bottom left here, click, and just start typing in Edge. It will search automatically for you. Click on the best match for Microsoft Edge, and here is the browser. So if you want Chrome, all you really have to do is type Chrome in the top here in the search, and the first thing that comes up is Google Chrome, download Chrome today. And then there's also, that's an advertisement as you can see, but this is also the first result anyways. So Chrome web browser, Google Chrome, this is the one you want to click. I will put the link for this in the description. But so make sure you read this little guy right here. Help make Google Chrome better by automatically sending usage statistics and crash reports to Google. So this sends your data to Google. This is up to you if you want this or not. So usage statistics, like how long you're on the browser for, what you're using it for. So totally up to you. I don't really want them to know all that, so I don't click that, and then I click download Chrome. Thanks for downloading. Just a few steps left. So yep, in the top right is the Chrome setup.exe file. If you can't see like a downloads button here, you can always just, and yes, obviously allow it. You can always just go to your downloads folder. So you can go open the file explorer and then go to downloads, and here's the Chrome setup file anyways. So I opened it, I'm running it, the Chrome setup.exe file. You just run it and boom, there you go. This Google Chrome just works, and you can do what you want with it now. So you see the bottom here, you can pin it to your taskbar if you want. I'm sure it's already a shortcut because Chrome loves to make itself a shortcut when you install it. Yep. And yeah, so to make it your default browser, you go to settings, and then you go to default browser, and then you click make default, and that's all it takes. So that's how you download and install Google Chrome, and that's how you make it your default browser. Hopefully you found this quick video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.